power. Hear that power. But you ain't about my muffler, it's about your car. If it can help you, it's like another accessory that makes it what it is.
Out here at the Average Guy DIY farm today, and in my shop we got my Chrysler 300. This is your standard Chrysler 300 limited edition exhaust. So it comes down here, you have true duals coming off of your V6. Comes down here to a Y pipe, to a single pipe. There's a fat ass muffler there I already took off, and then it comes down here and it splits off, and I got two Paradox mufflers on mine. But we're gonna do away with this entire system, and we're gonna go true duals with where that Y is, I'm gonna put an X pipe. And then we're gonna go straight back, and then we're gonna come out to these two Paradox mufflers. They're hot tamales. All right, so we're doing this custom exhaust here for the Chrysler dual exhaust. I got an X pipe down there, it comes back. This was the first try. It drops down really low and then it goes back up. See, like, you can see that shit, like how low it is. I didn't like that. So we went to revision number 2, which is this side, and it just comes nice and straight back, wraps around the control arm, and comes right out the back. This motherfucker's perfect. You can see the difference. See how far that one drops down? This one just stays right there. Well, here's our creation. We're about to weld this bad boy up, stick it back under the car, and listen to it rip. All welded, cleaned, and polished. Yeah.